was a sweet talking son of a preacher man. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher man. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher. Sometimes I can't get a word in edgewise. So much to see, I can't feel my insides. But today I got news for you. I'm dying to tell you about what's going on. I talked to my mother and I wrote a new song. And I've taken a lover. There's barely anything wrong. Hey, thank you so much. Appreciate it. I made a habit of asking you to leave. Now that you're going, I'm begging you, please don't. Up in the attic, there's a story you can tell, piles of memories. You wanna burn them out, but please don't.
Oh, it comes in an egg.
All right, I like it.
Huh? What is it?
I really didn't mean to hold on your sweetest dreams. All you ever did was give me everything. And now it seems I love you more than I ever thought for you. Put you in the but I was simply trying to breathe in my own too good for me. Now I wonder what would happen if you stayed. Now I wonder what would happen if you stayed.
Or you don't want to take the ice cream? I would say let's take it out.
On this side?
The other day you guys were over there.
You're not funny.
See anything you like?
This one's from parking. Ours is constantly working. Very rarely hurts. You scored. Really?
Yes, so the person that was actually with me was my mother. So she.
I knew there wasn't a resemblance.
Yes, that's my mother. She was maybe your. Yeah.
And now I know my name.
Yeah, it comes with the two satellites, so you will have the blue and also the sticker. Yeah. And the nails are reusable.
But I'm making it, I'm making wrong, feel right.
I don't know. Is it a good use of money? Do you think it is? Where would you even wear it?
She said, you not say, please don't put up a fight. Oh, please don't put up a fight. Yeah, please don't put up a fight. Oh, please don't put up a fight. Yeah, please don't put up a fight. Thank you.
back to
Okay. You can make it yourself.
But it's always easy, no matter how hard I tried. When he started sweet talking to me, kiss and tell me everything is alright. Kiss and tell me everything is alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only boy who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher man. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher man. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher man. He was a sweet talking son of a preacher Thank you. For hanging out and listening. This is such a cool event.
That's so cool.
I go stand there?
Do you want to?
I'm too scared. I feel bad.
No, we just arrived. We thought, okay, we'll come by and see, but it was hard for us.